My name is Guy Aranda. I'm the CEO of Guy's Fencing.
I'm Guy Aranda, and I am the manager of sales and marketing.
My name is Angie Spalding, and I am the office manager here at Guy's Fencing.
My name is Lee Aranda, and I'm the field supervisor and estimator for Guy's Fencing.
Here at Guy's Fencing, we're the home of all natural redwood fences. Where not only do we specialize in redwood fencing, but we also do redwood retaining walls, decking, trellises, patios, and gazebos, and more.
Choosing Guy's Fencing means that you've hired a company that values you as a client and works with integrity and delivers on the promise of high quality standards.
We are honored to announce that we are North Bay's best fence builder and deck builder, and are proud to announce that we are a certified contractor that offers non-combustible materials in both fencing and decking for fire safety.
One great story of a satisfied customer was a woman who reached out to us telling us that she had not found a trustworthy contractor. Upon calling us, we set up an appointment. We went out and talked to her, building a relationship. We measured the fence, talked to her about the different styles, showed pictures, and were able to come up with a style that fits her desire and her budget. Upon completing the fence, she was very happy, and she has recommended us to multiple of her family and friends.
I've been in the fence business for almost 50 years, and I opened Guy's Fencing in 2001 to offer fences, decks, and trellis, good quality and good service. And I put in all my experience to work for you guys, all the customers. Now I pass it on to my kids, to my sons, to provide the best quality and honesty prices to make sure they keep doing quality fences and a company that you can trust.
The top concern that our customers have is how to work with neighbors. Here at Guy's Fencing, our office staff is highly trained to facilitate conversations between neighbors to make sure that all parties are informed and satisfied.
If you're in the market for a new fence and are interested in a high quality fence,
We don't just build fences, we build trust.
Our office is standing by, ready to take your call.
You had a choice and you choose us. On behalf of my family, thank you.